It's the end of the season. Some plants are still doing well, others are clearly at the end of their cycle. And that's normal. The garden, just like us, slows down in winter. But this is actually the perfect time to prepare your balcony for the cold months ahead. Doing it now helps prevent disease, protect your soil, and makes it much easier to restart everything in spring. Let's go step by step. We will clean, organize, feed the soil, and protect it for winter. First, let's take care of the plants that are done for the year. Start by removing any dead or diseased plants. This prevents fungus and pests from overwintering in your pots. For healthy plants, simply cut the stems at the base instead of pulling everything out. The roots will slowly decompose and feed the soil. And there is a quick tip: if the stems are healthy, you can shred them a bit and use them as mulch. Nothing goes to waste. Once the old plants are cleared, it's time to tidy up the rest of the space. After a full season, tools and pots usually need a bit of care too. Empty and clean your pots, remove old soil, rinse off residue, and let them dry completely. For plastic or terracotta pots, use warm water and a touch of white vinegar or black soap. It disinfects gently, removes mineral deposits, and avoids mold during storage. Then tidy up your tools. Sort your containers and sweep the floor. A clean, organized space will make your spring restart faster and easier. And if your pots will stay outside during winter, think about slightly raising them with wooden wedges, small blocks, or pot feet to avoid direct contact with the cold tiles. When the balcony floor freezes, it can crack the pots or block drainage. Once everything is clean, we can focus on what really matters: keeping the soil alive during winter. Even though plants rest in winter, your soil doesn't. It's still alive, full of microorganisms, worms, and fungi that quietly work all year long. So instead of leaving the soil bare, protect it. You can let dead roots break down into the soil, then add a thin layer of compost or mature manure on top. Finally, cover it with mulch, dry leaves, straw, or fine wood chips. This protects against heavy rain, wind, and frost, and keeps the beneficial life in your soil active until spring. If you are growing in grow bags or pots, the same rules apply. Just water lightly once after adding mulch to settle in place. Then let nature do the rest. And when spring comes, all you will have to do is to remove the mulch and mix the top layer. Your soil will smell rich and fresh, ready to grow again. Before finishing, take a look at your perennials. In my case, vine, raspberries, and strawberries. Cut back the dry stems, remove any dead leaves, and add a layer of mulch around the base. This protects the roots from frost and helps the plants come back stronger in spring. For raspberries, you can also add a light winter protection. It helps protect the young canes from frost and drying wind, especially in exposed balconies. And just like that, your balcony garden is ready for winter rest. By cleaning, feeding, and protecting your soil now, you are not just closing the season, you are already preparing for the next one. You avoid disease, keep your soil alive, and save time when spring arrives. My balcony is now ready for winter, but I'm still planting a few things: onions, garlic, shallots, and some spinach and lettuces. You will see all of that in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep showing your garden some love, even in the quiet months.